Hello, good morning. It's Thursday the 16th. I'm FX Plu and this is the market brief. So China's been on, responding to the UK decision to stop using Huawei on its 5G network. They voiced their disappointment with the decision, saying that it raised questions over the security of Chinese investments in the UK. No doubt it was a calculated risk for Boris. Going ahead with Huawei opens up security concerns and creates a divide with the US, while this decision puts Chinese UK investment in jeopardy, and internationally the UK's reputation wasn't helped by dear old Donald taking the personal credit for stopping the UK and several other countries from using Huawei equipment. So how's that special relationship coming on? Boris? Looks like we've got a little way to go yet. The Office for Budget Responsibility has been on. They've shown that all of Sunak's innovation and support for the pandemic has caused a hole of about £60 billion in this year's accounts. Of course, this suggests that Sunak is staring down the barrel of tax hikes or public spending cuts, as and when he wants to balance the books. Some tough decisions ahead, no doubt, for him. In the market though, sterling reacted positively to dollar weakness, and we touched a high of about 126.50 on the day yesterday, but we pulled back from there and we opened today just under 125.50. The dollar is a little conflicted by COVID at the moment. On one hand, we've got the safe haven trade that sees buying demand. That's spurred on by the pandemic raging through the US. But the news that a vaccine may be ready by year end, that drove the dollar down with increased risk appetite. So we can expect volatility to continue for a while yet for the dollar. US-China relations are a little frosty at the moment. We've had all the conspiracy theories over China's involvement in the origin and spread of coronavirus. And of course, yesterday in a press conference where he claimed that victory in the fight over Huawei's 5G tech, Trump said that he's got no plans to talk to President Xi. We'll have to see what all that actually means for the trade talks, but the dollar index slipped to 95.75 until, of course, that news of a vaccine helped it back over the 96 level. In Europe today, we've got the ECB meeting. Consensus is, of course, for no change to monetary policy. An expectation is that the Pandemic Relief Fund will be the main focus of the press conference. At some point, the lack of urgency could turn the market and we could see the euro drop back down towards the 110 level. But yesterday it was driven higher by dollar weakness, and euro dollar touched 114.10, which is actually the highest level we've seen since lockdown began. Of course, it's more reflective of dollar woes than any euro strength though, and that move looks pretty unsustainable for the time being. One to keep an eye on though. Right, that's it from me. Have a wonderful day. Please join me again tomorrow. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.